In this video, we will show you how to increase the daily transaction limit in RBC. First, open your internet browser and go to the RBC website. Then, sign into your RBC online banking account. Once you are signed in, you will see the account's summary page. On the right side of the page, look for a section called My Services. Under this section, find and click on Daily Transaction Limits. Now, you will see a table with your daily transaction limits. Above this table, there is a button labeled Edit Limits. Click on it. You will be taken to a page where you can adjust your temporary ATM withdrawal or in-store purchase limits. There is a slider that you can move left or right to increase or decrease your limit. If you prefer, you can also manually type in your new limit in the box provided. After you have set your new limit, choose the expiry date for this adjustment and then click on the next button. Review all the information you have entered to make sure it is correct. Once you are sure everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to save your changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.